Hello friends, let's see how to draw 90-degree
and 45-degree.
in a super easy way.
But please don't forget to subscribe hitting the bell icon. At first,
Draw a baseline OB like this. Then from the point O, take an arc of any radius and draw the arc carefully. Then from the same arc, from the intersection point, taking the same arc without changing the measurement, draw the first arc. Then from the intersection point, draw another arc and make it a little bit longer. Then from the last intersection point, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc like this. Now join the line this way. Now see, that is our desired 90-degree. See, it is exactly 90-degree. Now point it out as AOB. Thus angle AOB equal to 90-degree. If you like to make 45-degree out of it, you have to bisect it. And to bisect that, what we need to do here is take the arc more than half of the first arc and draw like this. Then from the cutting point of these two, intersect the previous arc like this. Now join the end point O with this intersection point. You will get a desired angle of 45-degree denoted by D. So angle DOB would be equal to 45-degree. Let's see the measurement using a protractor. See, it is coming exactly 45-degree.